You're watching How Leap. Let's fix the Instagram algorithm, not resetting. The algorithm is complex and personal, but you can train it. First, clear your search and watch history. Go to your profile, tap the menu, select your activity, then recent searches and history, and clear both. Next, mute or unfollow accounts you no longer want to see. Refresh your interests by interacting with new types of content, like comment on and follow accounts related to new hobbies. Use the not interested feature. Long press a post in your feed, tap not interested, and do this consistently. Finally, take a short break, log out for a few days, or use the take a break reminder in settings. The algorithm adapts slowly based on your new behavior patterns. There is no instant reset button, but consistent new interactions will reshape your feed over time. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.